also from a fighting stance. I'm going to go standard. This technique's one of my favorite counters. As your opponent comes in, you're basically weaving away. So, hands up, standard stance. As an attack comes, I'm either pivoting or stepping. I'm going to step, watching the whole time, torquing my arm, and as soon as my hand touches right over here, the kick happens. Right back to my stance. Now you see you have to torque your body and manipulate your body to the right exact positioning, because when I'm throwing the kick, I'm actually back facing. Make sure to slow that down. It's very difficult to see. It's a move you have to just work on, and the more you tweak with it, the more it'll become more comfortable for you. But an amazing counter. This technique is incredible. So this is a great defensive move, because I'm basically throwing my body out of the line of attacks. So as I throw my body away, the kick comes. It also can be offensive, move it in, throw, but this is mainly a defensive technique. It's as soon as your opponent comes in and attacks and you have good distance, you throw the technique. It makes them very weary about advancing. Targets for this, it's basically anywhere from the leg up to the head. Throwing this low is very, very tricky on your opponent because they're not expecting the Meia Lua to go low, but around the legs to mid is very dangerous. And the thing about that is they have a very hard time getting away from it, either by ducking it or backing up in time. It's very, very hard once I'm throwing this move, if I'm in distance, for them to retreat. It's like anything, it's going to take a lot of work, but as soon as you get it, you're going to love this technique.